Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. In this video, I'll be talking about poles and zeros in control theory, how to find poles and a zero. It's simple as ABC, is that clear? But before we do anything, can we just commit what we want to do now into the hands of God? Just pray to your God individually for 2 seconds. Pray for retentive memory and understanding. Then we start. We are in prayers for 2 seconds. Amen. Please make sure, make this video go viral. Is that clear? God will bless you. Okay. Before I solve anything here, I want you to go to Google. If today is your first time of meeting me here, go to Google. Just want to do you good. As long as mathematics is concerned, go to Google, type RemJock maths, enter there. Is a site, website. You will see a lot of solved mathematical problems. Not only that, you will see comprehensive lecture notes too that will help you. Has been helping a lot of people, and people are testifying. Go there, it will do you good as long as mathematics is concerned. For your WAEC, junior WAEC, JAM, ND, HND, accounting, and the rest. As long as mathematics is concerned, PhD and MSc. So your S for SC, as long as mathematics is concerned, just go there. It will do you good. Okay. Not only there, go to Facebook, type this, you will see me there. Sometimes I do live videos for the purpose of those my friends who study abroad. Sometimes they send their assignment to me for me to solve. I do that for them, and because of them I will come live. They will have one-on-one class with me. So if you are that type that have mathematical problems, please don't hesitate to follow me on Facebook, snap and send it. I will do the same thing for you because that is your own benefit. As long as you are my follower, I will treat you the way you want it. Is that clear? So please don't just follow me, try and invite your friends. You know that your friend is, mathematics is the worst enemy. Just tell him to follow me to make sure mathematics will be his best friend. Thank you and God bless you. Make sure you share this video. Okay, so now let's look at this. But before we look at this, I'm going to explain what transfer function. We call this transfer function. It's all about. Then how we can obtain poles and zeros. Is that clear? When we say transfer function is of this form, phi of s all over theta of of s is a transfer function. Then sometimes if you want to define it the other way, this is the same thing as input all over what? Output, yes, is also known as what? Transfer function. Amen. So now this in engineering transfer function in engineering system. So now if we are asked to find poles and zeros, how can we obtain our poles and zeros? Let us have a transfer function of this one. Assuming we have s plus d all over s plus a, then open bracket s plus c. Amen? Okay. this transfer function is your pole. How to obtain your pole is your denominator, you equate it to 0. This denominator, that is s plus a, open bracket, s plus c equals to 0. You got your pole. You know that the quadratic equation a times b equals to 0 is either a equals to 0 or b equals to 0. So if you have something of this one, your s plus a equals to 0, then s plus c is equals to 0, then your s1 is equals to minus a, and s2 is equals to minus c. So your poles are minus a and minus c. Is it difficult? Then, to obtain 0, you make use of, you equate your numerator to 0, that is s plus d equals to 0. So your s is equals to what? Minus d. True or false? Is it difficult? It is not. So your 0 is minus d. Is that clear? Then, looking at this solution, you discover that there are no repeated roots here, both 0 and poles. So it means this is, we call this simple poles, we also call this one simple 0. Is that clear? So now let us look at this given problem. Let's look at it together, as simple as ABC. Amen. Okay, so let us write solution. Amen. Our f of x is equals to 3s plus 25, amen, all over s square plus 6s plus 13. Okay, so let us find the pole. For poles, amen, our s square plus 6x plus 13 is equals to 0. You don't need a prophet to tell you. This is what? A quadratic equation. So you know how to obtain your quadratic equation. For us to find our s1 and s2, it's simple as ABC. Can we factorize this quadratic equation? Look at it. This is the sum, this is the product, true or false? So what are the two values that you can use to multiply to give you 13? Then by the time you add them, it will give you 6. No, it means this particular quadratic equation cannot be factorized, true or false. So we apply formula methods so that it will be easier for us. So we now write using formula, amen, formula method. Okay, since we are talking about s, so s will now be equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square, amen, b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So, amen. So if you agree with me, your a is equals to 1, b is equals to what? 6, and then c is equals to 13. So let us substitute in your normal quadratic equation. Minus 6 plus or minus square root of 6 square minus 4 times 1 times what? 13 all over 2 times 1, isn't it? Okay? True or false? Okay, do you agree with me? Any problem? Okay, so here is s is equals to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 6 raised to power 2. 6 raised to power 2 means 6 times 6. This is equals to 36. Amen. So 36, then minus 4 times 1 times 13 for the sake of manias. 13 times 4, 4 times 3, 12, carry 1. Is that clear? Then times 1 times 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 52. So here will be minus 52 all over, amen, 2 times, going to give us what? 2 times 1, 2. Okay, so at this point, we can still move for that to write minus 6, amen, minus 6 plus or minus square root of, let us subtract 36 minus 52. Let's do it this way. That is 52 minus this. This cannot 12. Borrow 1 from 5, making it 10. 10 plus 2 is what? 12. 12 minus 6 is going to give us 6. Mind you, we have what? 4 here, isn't it? Then 4 minus 3 is going to give us 1. So here is 16. But here, 36 minus what? 52. So it's supposed to be minus 16. Here we did 52 minus 36 is going to be plus 16. But here, since 36 minus 52 is going to give you minus 16 all over 2. Amen? Okay. Can I clean this side? Okay. As simple as ABC. If you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it on the comment section and look at it and send it back to look at it and give you the feedback. Okay, let's consider the square root of minus 16. It's simple as ABC. It's not difficult. Amen. It is not difficult. If we have this, assuming we have square root of minus 16, if I were you, what you will do here is, this is the same thing as square root of minus 1 times square root of 16. Is that clear? That is, if I were you, do it this way, minus 1 times 16. This is the same thing as square root of minus 1 times square root of 16. Then this is square root of 16. 16 is a perfect square, rational number. Here will be minus 1 times what? 4. True or false? So this is 4 root minus 1. Then go back to your complex number. I, note that I is equals to minus 1. True or false? So instead of minus square root of, I is equals to square root of minus 1. Instead of square root of minus 1, we now write 4i. Is that clear? So this is what we are going to do. Amen. So here, what we will do here is, let me just let me simplify it, break it down. Note that root minus 16 is the same thing as root minus 1 times 16. Yes, which is the same thing as root minus 1 times root 16. Then this is equals to root minus 1 times 4, which is equals to 4 root what? Minus 1. Then I is equals to root minus 1, which is equals to 4i. Sorry, which is we can say I is equals to, then we can now say 4 root minus 1 is equals to 4i. Okay, take note. Okay, this is how we are going to simplify it. So here at this point, our s is equals to minus 6 plus or minus 4i all over what? 2. Then this is equals to, since we are talking about plus or minus, either plus or minus. So minus 6 plus 4i all over 2. Our S1 will now give us 6 all over, amen, minus 6 all over 2 plus 4i all over 2. This is the same thing as minus 3 plus 2i, amen. Then our S2 is equals to, amen, S2 is equals to minus 6 all over 2 minus 4i all over 2. This is equals to minus 3 minus 2i. Okay? So the poles are, therefore, the poles are, amen, minus 3 plus 2i and minus 3 minus 2i. Then let's consider the zeros. Is that clear? The zero, for zeros, our 3s plus 25 is equals to 0. Then our 3s is equals to minus 25. Then our s is equals to minus 25 all over what? 3. So your 0 is what? Therefore, zeros is what? Minus 25 all over 3. This is how to solve this type of problem. Then, mind you, the poles are what? They are simple poles and simple zero because no repeated roots found here. So this is how you are going to solve this type of problem. So should in case you come across this type of problem or similar one, this is how you are going to solve it. Thank you and God bless you. Please, mind you, don't forget to share this video. Is that clear? Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to share it. Just share this video to your friends. Make sure you like it. Thank you and God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye.